Hi, my name is David and I work as an education project manager here at the Africa Center, Hong Kong. For this year, we are introducing for the second time the Afro Multi-Activity Summer Camp. There is a common saying in our town: how we see and view the world determines how we act in our social circle or in our scientific innovations. If you want your kid to experience being an engineer, a scientist, or an explorer, while also becoming conscious about the world, then the Afro Multi-Activity Summer Camp is for you. Shaped by our mission of creating a conscious world, our Science Day will cover all STEM areas, while also highlighting different social and environmental sustainability issues. Send your kids to join our diverse group of trainers and students in this summer camp, and let them explore science like never before. Sign up for the Afro Multi-Activity Summer Camp. See you there.